this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
Oh my god, it's like this lighting is horrific today. Oh my god, because it's sunny and it's shady and it's terrible. Anyway.
Standing in the shadows of love.
If you haven't seen yesterday's Vlogmas,
Don't bother.
it's so funny. Anyway, today is day. Could you hold him for a sec?
Come here, poopy. Little poopy booba.
Oh my goodness. So today is, you can't see you, so you have to walk up closer. There we go. Today is day 21 of Vlogmas. Today is December 20th.
Christmas is next week?
It's on Tuesday.
Holy.
Today is Thursday, so it's like 5 days away. Have I wrapped any presents?
No, have I? I haven't even gotten any.
You don't even have any presents. I was going to say, have I? What? Anyway, so yeah, so this is our first day. Let me show you a little bit about my shawl I'm wearing today. I'm wearing an awesome shawl.
Oh, I'm thinking that.
This is my Novum by Martina Bem.
Oh, Martina, bro.
And I have on a shawl pin that you gave me a while ago, and I haven't worn it in like ever. I don't think I've ever worn it. It wasn't still in the package.
She never wore it.
I never wore it. But why am I not wearing this shawl? It's amazing. It's made out of hand spun, and it's gorgeous. I love it so much.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. He's a hot mess. He needs to be brushed. That's my next task today on the agenda. So, yeah, today we're doing nothing again. I'm opening up the Instapot today. So let's see if we can find some recipes from the Instapot.
Supposed to rain this afternoon.
Because it's supposed to rain this afternoon.
All night and all day tomorrow.
We can't cook burgers. Our daughter has an apartment in the next town over, and last year she bought lots of things for said apartment in order to cook and clean and whatnot. And I rescued something. So yes, she has an Instapot that she never uses. So I said I'm going to borrow it and cook some meals and see if I like it, to see if I'm going to buy one for myself. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to unbox this right now, and maybe when I go to the market later, I will find something to cook. Hopefully it comes with a recipe book. Recipe book that comes with the Instant Pot? Terrible. There's one recipe for lemon chicken in here that sounded pretty good, although you have to marinate it for 2 to 3 hours. What is the point? The point of this is to be quick. So nobody has time for that. So I went on the internet and I looked up recipes, and I found this one, Instant Pot Honey Teriyaki Chicken, and I love Asian food, and this looks pretty easy, and I'm gonna try it out later. I won't vlog it because our house is super dark and ugly at night. I'll probably show you the finished item. We'll see. Anyway, wish me luck. So I'm gonna open up day 20 of my advent calendars.
Oh boy.
This is a handmade holiday. It takes me a while to open these, and I usually cut all of this part out.
My arm doesn't mind. Jeez, could you wrap it any better?
So we're getting closer to the Christmas colors a little bit. And red. Hey, it matches my shawl. Whew, cool. Reds and purples and cool greens and whatnot. So somebody had asked me yesterday about what sweater they should knit as a first sweater, and I promised I would answer it today. And my answer is Flax by Tin Can Knits. There is a Aran version and there's a fingering version. Aran version would be a lot quicker, but Flax by Tin Can Knits. I haven't knit it yet, but it's a top-down raglan, and that was my first sweater. So there we go. So I'm going to end the vlog right here.
Good.
Hope you guys...
Now me.
Hope you guys have a good evening. knit something beautiful, and
Have a bologna sandwich.
cheers!